East Asian expression for philosophy, which China, Korea, and Japan share, was coined by the Japanese philosopher Nishiyamane in the mid-19th century. This expression appears for the first time in his book, A New Theory of 100 Ideas, 닭귀지신론. Literally, the expression 청학 means the study of wisdom. Buddhist school named Hwao, or the Flower Garden School. This Buddhist school started in China and spread to Korea, and it has been a core of Buddhist thought in Korea since its inception during the 7th century. Two of the most well-known Buddhist schools that emerged in East Asia and have had a great impact on Korean Buddhism are Huayan or Hwang Buddhism and Chan or Sun Buddhism. Eisang is known as the founder of the Korean Hwang school. Eisang was a monk of the Silla Kingdom during the Three Kingdoms period in Korea. This doctrine of no self holds that our existence is not an independent entity, but is possible because of the contributions of various non-me elements. Buddhist logic explains why this is the case.